How is the spirit of liberty preserved in America over time, specifically culturally? It's an interesting question. When civil liberties protect us from government, the health of the republic also depends on citizens fulfilling certain civic responsibilities, duties owed to the community and the political system. These are often considered more obligations rather than legally enforceable mandates in any context, but they're vital for sustaining democracy. Examples would include participating in the democratic process. This is where everyone's mind always goes, voting, staying informed, right, casting a ballot. But they extend further, much further, respecting the law while retaining the right to advocate for change, actually following what the law says, even when it's inconvenient. Paying your taxes, even when it's inconvenient or too high. Serving on juries when called upon, even when it's inconvenient, right? And then it goes even further into our neighborhoods, respecting the rights of others, even those with whom we disagree, our neighbors, our friends, our communities, extend into so much of what we do with our time in our lives. Beyond these basic duties, civic engagement, volunteerism, and service are crucial for safeguarding democratic ideals. Alexis de Tocqueville, a very famous French observer, early America during the Jacksonian era, noted that the Americans had this propensity for forming associations and for volunteering when work needed to get done. He saw this as vital for this new spirit of democracy he was seeing in France and the United States, fostering cooperation, building social capital, and acting as a check on potential government tyranny by strengthening civil society itself. Another check on government. Active citizen participation holds government accountable and pushes society to live up to its ideals. When citizens use the First Amendment rights to protest, petition, or organize, they breathe life into constitutional guarantees. Examples would include the abolitionists, the suffragettes, and the civil rights activists who used civic action to expand liberty and equality throughout the 60s. Engagement also helps ensure that majority rule does not devolve into tyranny over minority rights. A vigilant, active citizenry is the ultimate defense of liberty in your own backyard, in your city, in your community, in your state, and in your country.